Yeah, what's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you, like you've seen in the title, on how you can make money online just by uploading files to the internet. Now this is payment proof of the money I received from the website that paid me for uploading my files such as images, videos, music, documents. The same files you upload to Google Drive, it's the same file you're going to upload to this website, but you're going to get paid if you upload to this website, unlike Google Drive in which you don't get paid. Now without further ado, let's get right into this video and let me show you how I made this money right here. Introduce the website to you, show you step by step on how to sign up, and you go ahead and start making money for yourselves. Let's go. Now this is the website that is going to pay you for sharing your file. As you can see right here, it says upload your file safely, withdraw profit from various payment methods, or convert the profit into product. Now the name of the website here is UP Forever, that is upload forever. Is going to pay you to upload your files to the internet. Now I'm going to show you step by step on how to sign up and start earning money immediately. Now to sign up, click the link in the description below. Make sure you click the link in the description below so that you can increase your earnings. And once you click the link in the description below, you're going to hit on sign up right here. I'm going to use a temp mail to sign up for the website. Let's check. I've pasted my mail. Username, I'm going to use WebHustleTv. For the password, I'm going to use just a random password. Oh, my battery is low. Let me be quick with the tutorial. Okay. I'm going to click I'm not a robot. While it's loading, guys, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new, and like this video if you've gotten value from this video. Robot again. Chimneys. I'm going to click on this and this, verify. Boom, then click on sign up. Then after you've hit on sign up, it's going to show you account created. To activate it, follow the activation link sent to your email. So I'm going to head over to the email and see if I've received any email. Yes, I've received an email. I'm going to open the email. So click my activation link. Yeah, the email is open now. So thanks for signing up. Click on the button below to activate your account. I'm going to click on activate my account here. Boom, my account is now activated. As you can see right here, account confirmed, close. Now this, the way the dashboard is going to look like, you see account balance right here is $0. You can request payout. Let me show you guys the payment method, the various payment methods they have. They have a lot of payment method you can use. If you don't have PayPal, you can use Payer, Web Money, Perfect Money, Paysera, AdCash, Skrill, Netlab, Payoneer, Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Western Union. Anyone you want to use, they have it right here. If you don't have PayPal, you can use any of the payment method right here. Now let me head back to my account. Like I said, don't forget to use the link in the description below to register so you can increase your earnings. Instead of earning $1 per file, you can be earning $2 per file when you use the link in the description below. Now you're going to click on upload files and upload any file of your choice. Once you upload the file, you're going to get paid. You see the prohibit pornographic file and stuff like that. Now that's it for this video. If you've gotten value from this video, like I said, subscribe, like this video, comment any question you have in the comment section. If you like this video, you're going to definitely like the tool that I'm showing up on the screen right now. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Let's go. Peace.